Yes, guys, we are back. We are at Hong Kong Space Museum, and as you see here, it's showing about the stars. And when we touch, for example, Sirius B. Yeah, I'm trying to touch Sirius B. Ah, it's showing now. Sirius B in Canis Major, a white dwarf. Luminosity 0.024, spectral class DAI.9, and surface temperature, absolute temperature, is about 24,800. Sirius B, commonly known as the PEP, is a faint companion star in the Sirius binary system. It orbits the primary star and is also known as the dark star Sirius once every 50 years. Sirius B is difficult to be seen as it is often obscured by the glare of its primary star due to close proximity. Sirius B was the first white dwarf discovered. Yes. Yes, guys. And when we see here, red supergiants, the largest stars. And what can we see more here? For example, Betelgeuse, red supergiants, blue supergiants, Deneb, Orion C, and neutron stars. And here is guys showing there the star life. So for example, it's showing that brown dwarf Prostar, much lighter than the sun, is not hot enough to start fusion. Means queen star, sun-like star, here we see red dwarf, blue giant, supergiant, red supergiant, supernova, black hole, supernova, red giant, neutron stars, white dwarf. And then when we come here, guys, type blood supernova and helium white dwarf, so that it is explaining the life of the stars. Yes, we are at Hong Kong Space Museum live. And our universe, the most incomprehensible thing about the world is that it's comprehensible, said Albert Einstein. Galaxies galore, here we can see. And this model is showing the universe, the stars, as you see. It's telling about how the stars and the universe look like, guys. Yes, this museum is really very educative one. And here we see the making galaxies. Galaxy, dark matter. Yes, guys. Where did galaxies come from? The prevailing theory is that dark matter formed blobs of high-density regions after the Big Bang. Attracted by the gravity of these blobs, gas condensate formed photogalaxies, which then collided and merged to form larger galaxies. And galaxies in new light, and it's showing here radio infrared visible light, ultraviolet, and X-ray. The types of light. Galaxies emit electromagnetic radiation of many wavelengths. And here it's telling about the Doppler effect. As you know, as a physical theory and rule is known as Doppler effect. When a light source such as a star or a galaxy moves towards or away from an observer, its light or spectrum will shift towards the blue and red respectively. This is called the Doppler effect. Yes, as you can see guys, that this model is showing when spinning the handle, and the light, as you can see, it is shifting. Yes, turn the handle to move the deeper. As you see, so before turning the handle, and now see after the turning the handle, as you see, the light formation is changing. So this is the Doppler effect, guys. Light can travel as waves. As a light emitting object like a star recedes, it takes longer for each wave to reach us. Yes, this is a good experiment. And here is showing spiral arcs. As you see, our hero is turning so that it's like a spiral galaxy. Spiral galaxies have arms that spiral around the center that may contain a black hole. And this is demonstrating the bending light. There is only one light here. Move the lens. Can you produce a ring and an arc or multiple images of the light? Right, yes, as you see, or maybe you cannot see here, when we move this, so that multiple images of the light is occurring here. Where is infrared? It's seen Napoleon. Yeah. And here is telling about the James Webb Space Telescope. James Webb Space Telescope, guys. We are at Hong Kong Space Museum live. Yes. As you see here, instrument bay, secondary mirror, spacecraft control systems, high gain antenna, solar array, stabilization flap mounted air sun shields. And as you can see guys, James Webb Telescope's model. Yes, Webb's science goals. Years after the Big Bang, the baby universe, galaxies over time, the birth of stars and planets and other worlds. So it's explaining the universe, demonstrating the universe according to Big Bang theory. Evolution of the universe. Dark age, galaxies over time, galaxy interactions, and here James Webb Space Telescope. Astronomers from all over the world waited for more than 20 years before they witnessed the successful launch of James Webb Space Telescope on 25 December 2021. Yes, James Webb Space Telescope, guys. Expanding universe, and here demonstrating the gravity. So the kids, when they play here, they can comprehend, understand the gravity. scroll through the wormhole, see where it takes you. And here is telling about the wormhole. Wormhole is a hypothetical shortcut that might connect to points in space. So shortcut one star, one star. They are called as hypothetically wormholes. So when someone enters from here, can reach another point, from A point to B point. So it is telling about the holes, and here about the gravity and evolving universe here. First in play, lemons in time, and there is one show which starts on in Cantonese, Chinese Cantonese, soon. And this is the time machine. This one before it was telling about the Large Hadron Collider, LHC. But now it's not working. Like in the CERN, you know, it's demonstrating about the CERN experiments. Yes, guys, we are at Hong Kong Space Museum Live. Exoplanets, life as we know it, life at the limits. These are telling about that, and the people are waiting for the English. And here is showing the time machine is just like, for example, on the screen when you move the handle, and you are traveling in the time, going to past and then the future, and then today is like this. Time machine. Once again, we came to James Webb Telescope. We are just in front of the James Webb Telescope model. Cartwheel Galaxy. It's amazing, isn't it? The universe, the life, pillars of creation, and the Eagle Nebula. Fascinating, like Mr. says in the Star Trek. Fascinating, yeah. Galaxies galore. Universe model, guys. Alright, a short break. Now I will walk to the second floor and we will see some astronauts. That how was the astronauts' life in the spaceships, in the rockets. We will see that in the second floor. Please follow us. We will be back soon. See you guys.